Hey fellas, as you can see, we have combo model in the construction site and the repair shop. It's Makita 9558 H&R, and we will check what's wrong with this one. Okay, we can see that the cable is damaged. But we need to check the armature, so I will remove the brushes. And we can see the commutator here, but basically I will open it. Okay, we can inspect the gear here. The gear looks totally fine. What can we feel here? We can feel that the bearing is totally destroyed. This bearing is destroyed too. So we need to check if the field is not damaged. No, the field looks good. So what we need here, we need a ball bearing. This one is 607 bearing, or another one, I don't know now. This bearing is 629, so we have this. Yeah, we can see that all the bearing is wobbling here. Okay, move it so easy. Of course, you can see the grease here. Probably this one was a little bit overheated. Oh yeah, the bearing is destroyed. Okay, we need this bearing, and as I know that this tool have worn out bearings, I need to open the gear housing. Let's check. Strange, the bearing here is good and this bearing is good, so this one probably needs to be washed and re-grease it, and we need two bearings and the brushes. And I got the replacement parts for this one: the brushes, the bearings, of course washed parts, and now I will take the bearing out, and now I use the fag bearing for this one. I hope they are good. This bearing goes here in this housing. And the armature will go here. The easiest way to put the bearing is to hit it with a socket. This bearing will go on the end of the armature, and basically you can press it with a vise, you can use a hydraulic press or something, but normally the regular customer don't have these tools, so you can just use the socket. Just make sure that the socket is the same size as the inner ring of the bearing, and you can just hammer it. hard on this one. Okay, now we have this, and now we can put this one, and I can use the same size of socket. This one is 8mm socket. Just going easily, checking everything spins. Everything spins is good. Now I think we can put the gear on the armature. Let's find our nut here. I will tighten it. I will use the paper to hold the armature. In this way I'm getting the better grip here. And just tighten it with regular 10mm scheme. We have our armature here. We can check how it fits on the gear RC, on the gear housing here. It fits. So now we have our winder. Okay, almost forgot. Sorry, the rubber. Rubber must be mounted on the back bearing. Make sure that the rubber is mounted correctly. Now we can try to close it. Just catching screws here. Now we can check if the armature looks good, moves good. Mine looks and moves good. Now we have the brushes CB 300-5. Cannot see if it's focusing good or not. Maybe it need to be a little bit darker here. Yep, now I can see it focusing. So we have the brushes, mounting them. We have the brushes inserted, and basically now we can try to run the tool to check if it works good or not. I cannot remember if this cord was good or not because I have checked that I need to replace it. Okay, I have no live here, so I think it can be that the cord is in here. Okay, we will go with the cord replacement. I have released the switch. Now we have the pin that holding the switch, and basically we can pull out our switch here. And we can test our cord. I have not turned it off. Okay. I will check for the replacement cord here. Okay, have it. So we need to make it similar length. Let's try to connect the cable. Okay, now I want it to go to the place it belongs. Basically, I think it will be something on the side here. Let's check if this will go here, this will go here. Probably I need to get it like that. Okay, we have our switch inside. Now we need to put a switch controller, compressor. Pressing the cable good, the wire will go here. Maybe I need to get a little bit more cable here inside. Okay. We will see, and now again, after checking everything, we can try to run it. We have it up and running, so that's a very good sign for us. Now I will close the back over here, check for the wires to not get damaged. Okay, now we need to put some grease here. I have some Makita grease. think it will be enough here. Just cleaning the housing. Okay, just making sure that everything feels good, looks good. Getting all the screws a little bit in. Port guard. Of course the flanges, and I have the disc replacement key. Maybe I will bend it to the cable. So now we need to test it. So we have it working. What is left for us? The flanges. And that's all. We have the good working grinder again with a couple new bearings and new brushes. Thank you for watching, and for now, bye.